If your audiobook sounds like a voicemail, you've already lost. Let me show you how to make it sound real and how to level it up with multiple characters using just ElevenLabs. No actors, no studio, no mic. Just smart formatting, one free tool, and clean execution. We'll start with a one-voice audiobook. Then I'll show you how to turn it into a cinematic 3-character version that feels like a full audio drama. Create a one-voice audiobook. Step 1. Log in and set up project. Go to ElevenLabs.io. Sign in. Click Projects. Create project. Select Audiobook. Name your project. Click Add Chapter. Step 2. Paste your script. Use a 300 to 500 word story. No script? Go to ChatGPT and ask, write a first-person short story about someone discovering a mysterious AI tool. Step 3. Assign one voice. Click Assign Voice. Choose Rachel, Adam, or Bella. Preview the audio. If it sounds robotic, that's a formatting problem, not a tool issue. Step 4. Enhance with tools. Use speech settings to adjust stability plus clarity. Highlight text for selection settings. Change delivery on specific lines. Add music or SFX. Optional, keep it subtle. Upload intro, outro audio or video for YouTube-ready format. Step 5. Export your audiobook. Hit Generate Audio. Click Download MP3. Congrats! That's your first, clean, professional, one-voice audiobook.
I found the tool by accident, just a harmless little AI assistant, or that's what I told myself. Something to help me organize my notes, finish half-written drafts, maybe remind me when to drink water. Nothing strange, nothing dangerous.
Part 2. Create a 3-voice audiobook. Format script for characters. Example layout. Use all caps for names. 1 line per speaker. Keep lines short. Step 2. Assign voices to characters. Narrator. Rachel Jane is Bella. Mark is Adam. ElevenLabs will auto-switch between voices as the script flows. Step 3. Generate and export. Preview. Generate audio. Download MP3. Now you've got a multi-character audiobook. Great for stories, podcasts, YouTube, or digital products. Want done-for-you prompts, formatted stories, and emotion-mapped scripts? Join the school community. Inside, voice pairing cheat sheets. Horror, romance, AI, and dialogue scripts. My exact ElevenLabs settings and pacing templates.
You remember me?
Of course. You were here last Tuesday. You were reading Neruda. But your coffee got cold.
Her heart did that annoying flutter thing again. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting updates.